Hey everyone, welcome back to Medfusion. Today, we have an awesome workout routine tailored specifically for beginners who are looking to kickstart their fitness journey with a full-body workout. Let's start. Warm-up is a crucial component of any workout routine, serving as a preparation phase that gradually elevates your heart rate, increases blood flow to muscles, and primes your body for more intense physical activity. Glute exercises are essential for strengthening and toning the muscles in your glutes. Strong glutes not only enhance your overall lower body strength but also contribute to better posture, balance, and functional movement. Sit-ups are a classic abdominal exercise that targets your core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. Leg exercises target and strengthen leg muscles, essential for functional movements.
The scissor exercise, also known as scissor kicks, is a core and lower body exercise that targets your abdominal muscles.
And here you have it. Start by mastering these foundational exercises we covered today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.